Hey guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a simple Mad Libs game. Okay, so let's make this Mad Libs game. So we're just going to have a ton of input variables. At the end, we'll just write the story out. Okay, so I'm going to call this making a snowman. So print. We're going to print this Mad Libs is called making a snow. Okay. Like that. Making a snowman. Okay, so we can make the number of snowballs they put. So number of snowballs equals input enter a number like that, and there's gonna be something, let's say number of buttons equals input. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this input code right here. Yeah. So it's going to be easier. So enter a number. I did this number. I misspelled it. So now let's say vegetable. Let's just say nose. Enter a vegetable like this, and you can do hat color equals input enter a color. So I think that should be it. And yeah, let's just get started with the printing. So print I made a snowman. I rolled, so plus number of snowballs plus 4. So I rolled and then the number of snowballs. So for example, I rolled 5 snowballs. So I said snowballs for my snowman. I used, let's do, I put, and then plus number of buttons. So I put, for example, 5 buttons. So let's just say buttons on my snowman. I put a hat that was the color, and then plus nose, hat color, and then I used and then plus nose. That's a vegetable. And used so for example, carrot for the nose. After that, my snowman was done. Yay! So let's see if this works. First of all, we have to put colons after everything. I forgot to do that. So it just looks neater. Okay, so let's run this. Enter a number 5, enter another number 6, enter a vegetable, apple. Oh wait, no, apple is not a vegetable. What am I saying? Broccoli. Enter a color red. I made a snowman. I rolled 5 snowballs for my snowman. I put 6 buttons on my snowman. I forgot to put his face. I put a hat that was the color red, and I used broccoli for the nose. After that, my snowman was done. So I have to put a space. I put there. So I guess now it should work. Okay. It's called snowman. Enter number 4, 10. Carrot. Green. So yeah, guys, it works. That is how you make a Mad Libs. So guys, unfortunately this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If this helps you out, please leave a like, and if you want to see more Python tutorials like this, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Also, can you give me lots of feedback in the comments below, because I am just starting out. This is like my 3rd tutorial, so please help me out in the comments below, and farewell.